Welcome everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to do a just quick unboxing of KKW collab with Mario makeup. So I believe I bought, let's go ahead and open it. I believe I bought an eyeshadow palette and some lip gloss from them. I got two of them, actually got two of them because I heard Mario say he was going to not restock it. Yeah, KKW collab with Mario. I got Juicy Gloss and the KKW times Mario palette. So first I'm going to show you the, I got two of each because they're not going to be restocked in the shade Juicy. So it's like a really, oh yeah, and on the box it says KKW times Mario. So I think they collaborated together on this one. And Mario is Kim's makeup artist. So it's actually pretty heavy. And it is in the shade Juicy. There's the name on the bottom. This is the makeup palette. And there's a second one in there. So I'm going to open that in a minute. And right now, let's check out the lip gloss in the Juicy color. So it kind of looks like this. Kind of like a peach, like a peachy color. I'm not sure where to swatch it anymore. So I'm going to swatch a little bit right there on my arm. So you can kind of get an idea if when it's spread out. My bracelets. And that's kind of what the color looks like on a light skin tone. Probably gonna look a little different on your lips. I'm actually gonna wipe that off right now. And that's the Juicy. I really like her packaging. I think they put a lot of effort and because it's pretty weighty. I mean, if you're carrying it around in your purse, it's actually not that great because it's so heavy, but it is like, it feels very like good quality. And here is our KKW times Mario eyeshadow palette. There's no picture on the back, but it does have the names of her shades, which I think are also in the palette itself. So this is what it looks like, kind of her signature branding, where she has it written on top, but it's almost the same color, the same shade. So. It looks like this. It comes with a mirror. Fairly good sized mirror. So the names are not on the colors themselves, but they are on the back. So you can kind of see them on the back. 2008, let's see, the names are 2008, Glam, Miami, Armenian, Loyalty, Decade, Albanian, Vegas, Libra, and Bronzy. So I think, let's see, yeah, I kind of think they go this way, so it's a little hard to tell. I think I want to say this is 2008. This is Glam. and so on. So I'm gonna do just a little swatching for you guys on my wrist, or actually on my arm, so you can see using my finger to see the pigments. That's pretty light, actually. Doing it twice, it actually looks really pretty shiny. And our next one is, ooh, that one's like a coppery color. That one's really pretty too. So it's a mixture of some shimmers and some mattes. This is more of a matte color. That one's not. Didn't go on quite as smooth, but I have some body foundation on there. Then we have like a gold. That one looks lighter. Yeah, that one looks definitely lighter. And let's see. This one looks like a dark brown, kind of chocolatey brown matte. Ooh, that one is darker. That could be for smoky eye. Where's that mix? Clean that one off a little bit. Okay, already making a mess. And then these guys are the next colors. And I'm going to put the names of the colors, the shadow colors, in the description box, because it's a little bit too tricky to try to match the names with the colors right now. Oh, this one's like a rust color. Oh, look at that. Kind of similar to that chocolatey brown. Get you so you guys can see there. And this one looks like a plum. Oh, I think I'm gonna like that one. Okay, it looks plum in the palette. Like a very, very dark purple. Almost a little brown too. And it looks definitely buildable. So you can start out light and get darker. Need a makeup wipe. Okay, two more. So I'm gonna use the blue. This is like a royal blue. Ooh. Let's see. So that's the blue. That looks really pretty too. It actually looks a little bit lighter on than in the pan. And our last one is another kind of gold bronzy color. So some of them are similar. I actually really like this one too. See if you guys can see that. So that's kind of what they look like. There we go. Yep, just wanted to show you guys this. I might do some looks and practice with some looks, and then I can do a tutorial for you guys too a little bit later. So it comes with 10 colors. And a mixture of shimmers and mattes. So that is the KKW Beauty times Mario collection with 2008 Glam, Miami, Armenian, Loyalty, Decade, Albanian, Vegas, Libra, and Bronzy. So I want to say that the blue is Libra and this is Bronzy. And yeah, so these guys I got two of them because they are being discontinued or not restocked or not remade. So I know she's coming out with a whole bunch of other collections right now. She she has a smoky eye collection that just came out, or it's coming out soon, and like a So Fire collection. Lots of reds, oranges, bronzy tones, and then her smoky eye look. So anyway, thanks everybody for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks a lot. Bye.